Okay, so we got this situation. In how many ways? Three different rings. Okay, so we have three rings. Suppose this is ring. I know my drawing is not appropriate, but still you have to manage. Okay, so suppose there are three rings, and okay, in how many ways three different rings can be worn in four fingers? Okay, so it is, look at this. It's ugly. Okay, suppose that there are four fingers in which you have to put rings with at most one ring in each finger. Means max to max you can put one ring in one finger. So there are four fingers. Okay, now focus on ring number 1. So ring number 1 has how many choices? Okay, required number. So ring 1 can go into any one of the four ring, correct? So for ring number 1 there are four choices: finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4. Correct? Is your task completed? No. Your task is not completed. You have to put all three rings into those fingers. Okay, now suppose that you guys have used this finger and we are left with three fingers. Now focus on ring number 2. So for ring number 2 you can go for this, this, or this. Means ring number 2 has three choices. Out of those remaining three fingers, it can go in any one of them. You know that I'm not choosing this one because we have a condition that at most one finger will have one ring. Okay, so you cannot put extra rings. Okay, now is your task completed? No, again you have to put three rings. Suppose you guys have used this finger and still two fingers are left. So for ring number 3rd, we guys have how many choices? Two choices. Okay, so the number is 24. Okay, so the number of ways in which three different rings can be worn in four fingers with at most one in each finger is 24. I hope the idea is clear.